Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the Daily Show. We are back in action. We are back in action. It is Friday. It's Friday. So let's see, guys, what we can do this Friday before going into the weekend. We came off really good wins yesterday. 2 great wins on stream. I know a lot of us caught them, which was super cool. So let's see if we can get the same today. Let's see if we can get the same results today. We're going to do a little breakdown soon before looking to take any trades, potentially. So before we get into that, let's just wait a little bit longer, get some people on chat, and we can get going. But for the meantime, how's everyone doing? How is everybody doing? How's your Friday? How is your Friday going? I've got a feeling today might be a little bit trickier than what we had presented to us yesterday. So depending on, price action today, yeah, let's see what we get, guys. It is Friday. We are going to take it a bit more conservative. We are going to go a little bit, play on the safe side of things. There's nothing worse. There's nothing worse than going into a weekend taking a loss on Friday. I think as a trader, that's one of the worst feelings. So let's try avoid that. Let's try avoid that. So we're going to be patient. We're going to wait for the best setup possible. And then we're going to execute if we get what we're looking for. Yeah. But let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's just wait a little bit more before kicking off stream, before kicking off the breakdown. Yeah, it's Fire Friday, bro. It is Fire Friday. Wait a little bit more. I've got my hydration, Red Bull. Got the Red Bull today. I'm gonna need it. I've got a feeling we're gonna have a bit of a long session ahead of us. But in the meantime, the guys that are in chat right now, tell me, what are you seeing on NQ? I would love to know your guys' outlook, your opinions on NQ. Before I do my breakdown, my analysis for you guys, what are you guys seeing? Buys? Are we seeing sells? Or are you neutral? You're a bit, in the middle, you're not sure. Sarvesh, how's it going, big brother? Hope you're doing well, my man. Hope you're doing well, bro. I want to say I'm looking for longs on NQ today, guys. I am looking to take buys again, but I'm kind of neutral right now. I am kind of neutral. I had a quick little look before we started the stream, but I think that we can, have a good understanding the minute I start breaking down. Yeah, sell, it's possible, bro. Having a sell is very possible. I can see it coming as well, and we'll talk about it soon. But yeah, I think shorting the market can potentially also be a move. I won't say I'm afraid to short it. I think price can go both ways right now. It can go both ways. With that being said, yeah, we're gonna have our suits of armor on today. We are gonna have that on. Yo, Samuel, what's up going on, bro? Okay, but you know what? Let's I'm like stuttering. Let's kick off the breakdown. We have one trader in the chat saying sell. So let's see, who's thinking we're gonna buy? That's the question. Who's thinking we're gonna buy? But let's do breakdown, guys. Let's do a bit of a breakdown. So I did say yesterday that today we are going to talk about EMA, right? I did say today's the day we're talking about EMA. Okay. This is the day we are going to learn how I trade EMA, how I managed to catch those 2 really good moves yesterday on stream. Hopefully this is going to help you guys create your edge in trading, give you confidence. But it takes time. It takes time to implement, learning something new. So if you want to learn something new today, this is definitely the stream to be on. Just stay tuned, and throughout the stream we will be talking EMA, all right? But before we get into EMA, I want to do a quick little breakdown for you guys. A quick little breakdown, just go over what I'm kind of seeing right now, all right? So, as we spoke about yesterday, I like to start on the daily time frame, right? Daily. The reason the daily, it is very, very, very important for me to understand what the daily candle is currently doing, okay? I don't want to be dropping into lower time frames if I don't have a good understanding at the back of my head what that daily candle is doing. That daily candle is extremely, extremely important. Okay, so let's look at the daily, right? Simple as. Okay, so okay. What happened yesterday, guys? NQ opened, we had a nice pullback, okay? And we then started trading the retracement back higher, and that's how we managed to capitalize on those buys. Price did push and made a high yesterday, okay? Then we dropped and sold off, and we put a low back in, okay? Sellers tried to take control yesterday. They did. Buyers had the control, and then sellers came back in. Which kind of is telling me right now there's a fight. Buyers and sellers are fighting. That's why I'm a bit neutral today. I need to see clear direction before taking a trade. On today's candle, we have opened. We had a nice opening on today. And what happened? We had an immediate push to the upside. The buyers are really trying to get price into the highs again. So let's just see if those buyers are able to continue that momentum. But the only thing that I'm very aware of is that there's no bottom wick on the current daily candle, right? And now when there's no bottom wick on a candle, there's a high possibility that this daily can flip to go bearish now, right? To create that bottom wick. Cool, I've got that in the back of my mind. So the current situation on the daily candle is very bullish. We have buyers stepping in. What's happening now? I'm just going to wait to see if we're going to maybe have that pullback, or we're going to keep going higher. So I'm going to jump to the 4 hourly, right? 4 hourly, guys. What's the 4 hourly saying? Okay, 4 hourly. We've created an overnight gap, right? We have this big fat gap sitting here in the market right now. Okay. Do I like that? Yes and no. I think that price can very well pull back into that gap, right? Is it going to be today? I don't know. But if we start seeing price wants to start dropping, I can start looking for shorts into that gap. I wouldn't want to short lower. I think that gap is a good target to short into if price does give the confirmation that we are going to now short, okay? But we might want to grab the highs first and then sell off for New York session, right? Let's see. We don't really know just yet. This is why I'm a bit neutral right now. We are still playing above EMA. Notice how price is trading above EMA. It's trying to get higher. I like that. I like that a lot, right? I want to see price above that EMA if I'm going to be looking too long. Okay, cool. Current 4 hourly is open and we're having a nice push to the upside. Still no bottom wick on that 4 hourly candle. Okay, it could maybe well reverse, but we're not sure just yet. Hourly, let's see. Okay, cool. This is where things start getting a little bit juicier. Okay, notice how the hourly, we've slowly been creeping up this EMA. We're coming into it, rejecting it, close above. Coming into it, rejecting it, closing above. This new hourly candle has opened, right, 5 minutes ago, and we've had a nice little pump to the upside. Buyers have stepped in on this new fresh hourly. So with that being said, let's see if it's going to continue going higher. But this hourly could very well flip as well to create a bottom wick. Okay, so there's no bottom wick on the 4 hourly. There's no bottom. Okay, there's no bottom wick on the daily. There's no bottom wick on the 4 hourly, and there's no bottom wick on the 1 hourly. This could maybe short. It could maybe look for shorts. But something I am interested in is for price to come up into yesterday's high. Okay, it's not a far target, guys. Yesterday high is not a far target. We could see a nice little rally into those highs during the session together right now. Okay, so what do I do from the hourly? As you know, I jump straight to the 5 minute, where now I can start watching that EMA, seeing what price is currently doing. And in the back of my head, I know what the 4 hourly and the hourly is doing. So let's get to that 5 minute. Cool. Now this is where we're just going to wait. We're either going to come up into this yesterday's high, so we can follow this EMA up into that high, or there's going to be no trade right now. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to slowly get into my EMA strategy with you guys. I'm going to teach you my secrets. But yeah. I'm going to quickly plot a level on. I like to put some levels on. I'm not going to get too heavily into levels today. I don't want to talk too much about my whole strategy. We're going to focus on my strategy bit by bit, day by day. Okay, I think that's the best way to approach this. I don't want to, bombard you with so many different types of things. Let me just start with one. So today we're going to focus on EMA, which is the bread and butter of my strategy. But I'm just going to quickly put on a level, just so I've got a level there. Cool. I'm tempted to, let's see how price, on this 5 minute wants to hold above this level right now. Let's see. But let's check the chat. I've seen you guys are messaging. So we have some. Oh, who's this? Pomas about Christ Jesus. What's up, bro? Hope you're well. We've got someone saying they see buys. Goeiemorgen, man. Sorbet is seeing buys. FXD Academy, okay, the daily is a buy. Also saw candle structure that took the liquidity, so maybe it's buy side. Yeah, maybe, bro. Gap needs to be taken. Yeah, the gap, like I said, it could maybe get taken only later today, or it can get taken maybe on Monday. We don't really know. It can happen anytime. It doesn't always happen that day. Nifa, good morning. How are you? Nice to see you on chat today. Hope you're doing well. You haven't missed anything yet. We've just started. We've just done a little breakdown of the chart right now. Don't worry, you haven't missed anything just yet. If the daily bias high is valid, I think it'll go lower. If the daily bias highs is valid, I think it'll go lower. Yeah, maybe. If price put in a high today, I think we could go lower. But I don't know. I think we might have a pump to take out yesterday's high before going lower for sure. I do think we could easily reach yesterday's highs, guys. I think we could easily reach those highs. No doubt about it. If you guys haven't, drop a like on the stream. If, like I said yesterday, if you show me love, I'll give you love back. We're going to go deep into my strategy. We're going to go deep into my EMA. Looking at price right now on the 5 minute, we had a big 5 minute close above my key level. Okay, notice how price attempted to come back. I could maybe well buy this, scalp this. It's a Friday, guys. Just is going 10. I'm not going too big. I'm going to see how this 5 minute closes, guys. It's closing in 1 minute, but we had a nice bounce off that EMA. We've closed very bullish. The previous 5 minute, we had a pullback into my level, into my EMA. What happened? We've rejected, closed back above. So maybe at the flip of this current 5 minute, we can look to take a buy. We're going to go in 15 micros. If I do decide to take this, I'm watching very, very carefully. And then we can soon start going into the EMA strategy that I trade. But reason for taking this, guys, is that I am maybe looking for price to jump into yesterday's highs, okay? I might want to see price come up into these highs as a target. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that. All right.
Order filled.
I'm taking a quick buy. I'm scalping a buy. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm putting my stop loss just below EMA, which is sitting below my key level as well. So it is valid. It is very valid. So yeah, let's see, guys, if we can get the nice push up into yesterday's high. Let's see. Everything is currently running bullish right now. It is running bullish. But the question is, are we going to carry this winning streak on? Are we going to carry this winning streak on today? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. And I'm going to make this very, very clear to all of you guys watching. This is not financial advice, okay? I'm not telling you to take a trade right now. I am not telling you I'm going to win this trade. I'm probably going to win this trade just because, like, fuck, I don't lose on the strategy. No, I'm joking. I honestly, just take this at your own risk. If you are going to copy my trade and take it, I can very well be wrong. I can lose as well. So like I said, this is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. But you have to trade with me. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. There you go. We're having the nice push already, right? There we go. We're having the nice push up already. What a fucking entry. If this actually takes off right now, W of a trade. Let's see, guys, if we get this. We're already up $200, man. We're already up $200. The question is Cameron gonna win at it? But I'm stuttering today, bro. What is going on? The question is, am I gonna win this trade? Did I get my bias analysis, whatever you want to call it, correct? Let's see, let's see. I'm just following the strategy, you know. This is a setup that this is a valid setup through the EMA strategy that I've been trading with you guys, you know. There we go. What a pump, brother. What a pump, bro. There you go. We're up $400 already, live on stream. There we go, baby. There we go. Easy, easy, easy. Just rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat, bro. Quick little simple breakdown. Don't overcomplicate it. We're not doing that ICT fair value gap liquidity blah 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 blah. We're just here trading EMA. Trading in EMA. And we're winning, bro. We are winning, bro. We are winning, bro. This is the winning team. The Daily Show, bro. The Daily Show. Yeah, Sarvesh knows the drill, guys. Sarvesh has been streaming with me for the last 2 weeks. He knows the drill. He knows when we take a trade. He knows the results. Although, I mean, we did lose one time, like a few days ago, unfortunately. But let's have a quick jump on the 15 minute. What's that 15 looking like? Okay, 15's running really well. The 15 is looking really good. We've had a nice reaction off the EMA, and now those buyers have stepped in, and now we're pushing. I do, like I said, I do think we're going to come for the highs. I think this is Asia high or London. What's the time? No, that's London highs. That's London highs. Yeah, it looks like we're coming for the highs of London for sure. And then I think if we can break above London highs, we're going to come for yesterday's high. So this is like target 1, guys. Target 1 is London's high. And then target 2 is going to be... Or it's not far off, to be fair. It's not far off, so let's just cancel that. Let's just target yesterday's high, which is just sitting above London's high. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's just stick to that. Let's stick to that. Just trade the trend, guys. The trend is your flippin' friend. The trend is your flippin' friend. I think so. We got Academy. I think they're going to take the high from yesterday. I think so as well, bro. That's the reason for taking the trade. That's my confidence in taking the trade. Nice, good job. Nice giveaways. I love Thunder Pro. Yeah, bro. We all love Thunder Pro. That's why we're here, right? Thunder Pro is probably one of the best prop firms I have ever traded with in the 8 years of me trading. Look, oh, what a beautiful trade, guys. We have $500 and $600 for Friday. $600 for Friday. I'm not going to go break even just yet, guys. I'm probably... You know what? It's Friday. Let's protect capital. Let's protect capital. Let's protect the capital. Let's all go break even, right? It is a Friday. If any of you are in this trade with me, let's go break even, guys. That's a beautiful trade for Friday. That's a beautiful trade. All right, I'm break even, guys. Let's just protect the capital. It is Friday. Let's go into this week. Damn, bro. Damn, what a trade. Look at that. Beautiful entry into that long. That's 3 wins now with you guys on stream. 3 wins with you guys. 3 wins with you guys on stream. Let's set the TP. $1,000 for the day, guys. $1,000 for Friday. I want 1,000. Yeah. Let's take $1,000 for Friday, guys. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful trade together. Beautiful trade. I smell a payout. I smell a payout. Guys in the chat, who took the trade with me? Come on. Tell the truth. Who took the trade? Who took the trade? Vista Forex, what's up, brother? What's up, brother? Guys, we were fuck, I'm so like distracted. We were how far away from that high? Look how close we were to tapping that high, guys. That was insane. And now we're reacting off. Jesus, if this thing drops right now, I'll be like, fuck you, bro. Nah, this is beautiful trade, bro. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. It's a beautiful trade. Nifa took the trade. Congrats, girl. Congrats. Come on, we're almost at TP. We're almost at the take profit. We are almost there. Alright, so with the show of hands, guys, who wants to go over the EMA strategy of mine? Who wants to go over it? Before we start, I need at least 5 votes. If I can get more than 5 votes, we will talk EMA strategy. I'll talk the strategy, guys, that I used to take yesterday's trades, as well as the trade right now. Guys, here we go. Here we go. TP about to be hit, man. TP's about to be hit. TP's about to be hit. TP is about to be hit, guys. Stay focused. Stay focused. If we win this trade, I want to see W's in the chat. I want to see the chat go crazy. Just spam the chat with whatever you want. Tell me how much you love me. I hope we don't reverse now since we did hit that high. I won't. Okay, I'm going to trail my stop. I am going to trail my stop. Like, I don't want to see this thing reverse. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm closing that, guys. I'm closing that. I don't want this thing to pull back. Price is testing me, man. That's a W for Friday. That's a W win for the Friday. Let's go, man. Let's go. Guys, if you're in that, get out. Just get out, man. Enjoy the profits. It's weekend tomorrow. 3 on 3 wins, baby. 3 on 3, baby. Alright, guys, there you go. There's the win for the Friday, man. There is the win for the Friday. Oh, there we go. W. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. Guys, okay, we're going to talk strategy now. We are going to talk strategy. What a trade, bro. See, you see why I've got out? The same thing has happened. The same thing happened like yesterday. Guys, if you see price stalling a bit just before it's about to hit your take profit, close that. Close that. Beautiful trade into the high of yesterday. Simple, simple. Follow the trend. Follow the trend. Follow the trend, bro. Another one. Yeah, exactly. Another one. So we got Sorbet. Let's go. $240 for the day, babe. Oh, I love you too, babe. This is amazing. No, congrats. Sorbet, guys, has been killing it. He's been on stream with me for a while now. He's been here every day with me consistently for the last 2 weeks. He's absolutely destroying it. I think... Are you still on your challenge, bro? Because he's been winning a lot, man. Like... I want you to send me a gift, please, huh? You've got to send me a little gift, bro. No, I'm joking. Yeah, follow the movement. Okay, guys, we're going to talk strategy, right? The EMA strategy. Let's get into it. Okay. But, oh, there we go. There's NQ wanting to go. NQ's ripping now, guys. Let's see. EMA strategy. Why do I trade it? This is the first important thing. Okay, I trade the EMA because it is a cheat code to trading if you know how to use it correctly. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to use the EMA correctly. Okay, and what I mean by that, all right, is people think that every time it retests, every time a price comes into an EMA and retests it, that's when they need to now buy, right? No, that's not true. That's not true. If you're going to buy every time the EMA gets hit, right, or tapped, you're going to lose a lot, right? There's a cheat to it that I have figured out, and I'm going to share it with you guys today. All right. So, oh, guys, what a trade, bro. What a trade, bro. You can't get any better than that trade, huh? You can't. Right, let's talk EMA. Okay. So, let's look over here, for example. Okay. Let's just focus over here. I need to make sure you guys can see. Let me make sure you guys can see what's going on. Okay, exactly. You can't see. All right. Sweet. Okay. So let's focus over here. All right. Notice how, right? Yes, we're selling off. We're having a sell-off over here. But I don't want to be selling, right? Why? It's because my bias is bullish. Okay. Just for example, right? Let's just say I'm only looking for buyers. How am I going to know when to buy, right? In this scenario, how would I have known to catch this buy up from here to capitalize off this move. How would I have known how to do that? Okay, it's simple. A lot of people, right, would wait for price to, go above that EMA, then retest it and then take the buy. Yes, that's valid. You can do that, right? By the way, guys, the EMA I'm using is an EMA 9. It's EMA 9. Exponential moving average. The count is number 9, okay? EMA 9. I'm not going to keep repeating that. EMA 9. This is the number of the EMA I'm using. So what I wait for is I wait for a green candle, okay, which is the bullish candle. I will wait for a 5-minute candle to close back above my EMA, right? That's my first signal. If I get a 5-minute candle closing back above my EMA. Did that happen? Yes, that did over here. Okay. This is the candle that closed back inside, right? This candle over here. Let me zoom up. Over here. That's the candle that closed back inside. Okay. Now, I don't just enter blindly when the candle closes back inside. There's a signal that tells me when to buy. The minute the high gets broken of the candle that closes back inside, for example, this one over, yeah. So as this 5-minute candle closed back inside of that EMA, see we closed, I will have a entry the minute that high gets broken, I will enter. Okay. That is the entry that you take. You don't take it just because price closes back inside. You need to enter the trade once that high gets broken of the 5-minute that closed inside. If the high does not get broken through, you don't take the trade. If the high does not get broken through, you don't take the trade. And let me tell you why. Look over here. Okay? Okay, to be fair, it can fail sometimes, right? It can. It's trading. Not every strategy is going to have a 100% win rate. But over here, for example, we close inside over here, right? On this candle over here, we close back inside. This candle broke the high, and then it just sold off. It would have stopped you out. Okay, so that's a failure, right? But what happened was price came to grab some lows and then it closed back inside. So that can happen sometimes. It's not always super clear, but that can happen, okay? If we look over here, we had a pull back into EMA, right? We pulled back into that EMA. We got below it. This 5-minute candle closed back above. See, we went bullish. We closed back above. And what did I say? We'll enter once that 5-minute high gets broken. So we would have entered that trade. And you would have won that with a very nice move. Okay. This is a bit of choppy. Like you don't, if price is ranging, we don't trade EMA, right? We don't trade EMA if price is ranging. That is a no. But yeah, let's look over here. Let's go find some more examples. This is a big gap. We don't care about that. It's a big gap. It does take practice. It does take some practice to become confident in knowing when to buy and sell. You can't just trade every single EMA, guys. You can't, okay? Look over here. In order to catch the sell-off, right? Notice our price pulled back into my level over here. What all I wanted to wait to see was price close back inside of that EMA. What happened? Price slowly made its way down, testing it, and then boom. This candle over here was the candle that closed back below the EMA. What do? We put a sell, we enter once that low gets broken. So we would have entered there and price just absolutely dropped. Okay. Another one. Notice how we had a pullback back below EMA. This 5-minute candle closed back above. What do? We will put a entry at the break of that current 5-minute high, right? Yes, you would have a little bit of drawdown, but that's normal. You can have drawdown sometimes. And price then takes off back into the highs. Okay. Look over here. Price pulled back. We're bullish. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. Over here. Sorry, guys. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. What happened what happened? Price pulled back below EMA. We had a 5-minute candle closure back above. What do? We enter once that 5-minute breaks. There you go. You would have won a trade. Price pulled back below EMA over here. You wait for price to close back above. Price did close back above. You would enter once that high gets broken. And what happens? You enter and you just win that trade too. Simple as, guys. Simple as. Check here. Another one. Price is trading below EMA. Let's just say you're looking for buys, for example. What happened? We get the closure back above EMA, which is this 5-minute candle over here. You enter at the break of that 5-minute high. Okay, simple. Boom, you would have won that trade. Price pulls back into that EMA, below it. We wait for the closure back above, right? Do we get the closure back above? We do on this. This is the first candle closure back above. So let's just say I entered that one. You would have had a little bit of drawdown, and then you would have won that trade. It is extremely simple. It just takes practice, and it just takes confidence in knowing when to press the buy or sell button on those trades. That's all. That is all. That is all. Yeah, follow the movement, bro. How do I set my EMA? I told you guys originally I set my EMA 9. That is the EMA I use. Wow, guys, look at NQ just taking off now. That was a great trade. That was a fantastic trade. So the reason why I took the buy today on NQ, right? Let's talk about today's trade. Why did I take that buy? Simple. Just like I showed you guys. Notice how NQ, I was originally looking for longs on NQ, right? As we spoke about on the pre-breakdown. Price was trading above EMA. We pulled back into the EMA over here, and then we closed back above. I missed this, right? This happened just before stream started. But what happened is, I could have entered there if I saw this, and then I could have got in earlier. Price then spiked up, right, as expected, because that 5-minute high was broken. We pulled back into EMA to retest it, okay, and then we rejected that. So what did I do? Why did I enter this buy with you guys live? Because I waited for this high to be broken. This candle opened, completely broke that high, and that's why we pushed into yesterday's highs. Simple. Don't overcomplicate it, you know. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate it. I don't have a YouTube channel, bro. This is my YouTube channel. I just stream on Thunder Pro. I don't do all of that Discord stuff. I just have my social media, Instagram, and yeah, that's it. I don't do all of that other stuff. I don't. Guys, if you have not already, drop a like, please. Drop a like on the stream. Show me some love. I'll give you some love back. Yesterday we got 30 likes. Let's see if we can beat that today. Let's beat 30 likes, guys. Come on. Where would you find your upside target from here? What do you mean find my upside target from here? Like if I was looking to buy again? Is that your question? So if I was looking to buy again, where would I look to target? I've got a feeling that you're in this trade, bro. And that you want to hold it. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But I got a feeling you're in this trade and you're holding this trade still. So you want to know exactly. There's no upside target, bro, for me. We're at all-time highs. I think that the thing is, oh, bro, the best thing to do if you like, if you're holding this trade still, the best thing to do in this scenario is to trail your stop loss, bro. Like, you don't know when, like, we're at all-time highs. There's no targets, bro. Look to the left. We don't have any targets to the left. We're at all-time highs. The best thing to do in this scenario would be just to trail your stop loss or close full position. Like, yeah, that's what I would do personally. I won't be targeting numbers. Maybe, you know, the 27,500 price could come up to. 27,500 might be where price is coming into. Right? But that's quite far away, bro. I mean, it's actually, I'm lying. It's not so far. 27,500 could be where NQ is trying to come up into, but then probably not. We are above yesterday's high. So this current 4 hourly, let me just make this very clear. I spoke about it in the beginning of the stream. The current 4 hourly candle, guys, has no bottom wick, right? So I've got a feeling, it's just a feeling, but I can be wrong, that if price starts having a pullback, we could get back below yesterday's high and sell off into the gap that was created overnight over here. So let's see, we've got above yesterday's high. Maybe price might pull back into the gap of yesterday before continuing higher, or price is going to just keep rallying higher. But I don't know, like, I can't predict such a big movement of where price is going to go. I can't. Unfortunately, I wish I could, because I'd be a billionaire. Well, I already am a billionaire, but like, I'd be a billionaire. Yeah, it's hard to say, bro. It is hard to say right now. We've extended so much on the buy we just took live together, that like now you would really want to wait just to see what price wants to do. The best thing to do is to I'm just going to say on the 5 minute, and I'll just wait to see how price reacts on EMA on the 5. It's the best thing. If we get back below EMA, maybe we start looking for the sell-off, if it does want to pull back into the gap. But I can't say just yet, bro. I can't say just yet. Savage, which session is the strategy works good? Brother, it works all the time. It's always working through all sessions. I just like this window that we're sitting in now, the window just before New York session. The market always moves nicely during this time. 27205. Yeah, bro, it could work. 27205. Personally, I would just close full position. I would just close it, bro. I wouldn't take it that far. If I was to take it up to the 205s or the 2010s, I would need to wait for price to pull back into my EMA, as we spoke about. I'd want to see then price close back above my EMA on the 5 minute and then take that long. That's, yeah, that would be what I would be looking for sure, if I was to long this. Because price can easily pull back from here now, because we've been so extended. It's made a new high, right? I don't want to see price come and make a higher low, and then if I enter this thing now, for example, so. Yo, so the funded account's actually looking quite good, guys. We're up $2,200 on the funded account. So my goal with this is to maybe grow this to like 10K, guys. I want to grow it to $10,000 in profit and then take a payout. The reason for this is because I want to take a nice size payout, but I also want to keep a buffer. I really want to keep a nice buffer in the account that I can keep trading. So for the new people that have joined, welcome to the stream, and I love you all so much for joining. I appreciate you. If you guys have not already, drop a like for me. Drop a like. Let's try beat 30 likes, guys, on the stream. I want to try beat yesterday. We've been killing it, though. It's been so nice. Honestly, guys, it just motivates me to come back every single day. Because the truth of it is, I'm here every single day with you guys. That's why I've called this the Daily Show. We come trade daily, talk. We're going to become best friends. And yeah, I want a reason, you know, to keep, you know, coming on and helping you guys, teaching you guys, talking with you all, and making money, most importantly. Money, money, money. That was a very, very beautiful trade, guys. I love that trade. Oh, how do I? Oh shit. How do I? Oh, there you go. So the trade that we did take, guys, was this trade over here. Just so we have it all written down. This was the trade that we took. This was the trade that we took, guys. Yesterday was crazy how we took a first trade in the beginning of stream. We won that trade. Beautiful trade as well. And then just before stream ended, like 20 minutes before, we scalped that last buy and price just rocketed into the highs. Mustaf, I need funding. Yeah, bro, a lot of people need funding, man. Me too, I need funding too. I always need funding, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I really appreciate it. Yeah, my concept is super simple, super straightforward. You can't go wrong. I've been through every strategy, guys. I've been through everything out there, and I said this yesterday, I'll say it again. I've been through ICT. I've been through smart money. I've been through the whole inverted fair value gap shit. I've been through supply and demand. I've been through liquidity sweeps. I've been through support and resistance. I've been through G-Spot. I've been through everything, man. And I wasted so many hours trading every single strategy out there that I've now come down to just trading an EMA. And it's been doing wonders. It's been doing wonders, this EMA. How long have I been trading for in my career? I've been trading for 8 years, bro. 8 years I've been trading now. It's been a very, very long time. 8 years. Well, I'm about to hit 8 years in the next few months. So 8 years. I only became profitable in 4 years of trading. So I've only been profitable consistent for the last 3-4 years. Yeah. Yeah. And the thing is, when I started trading, I know a lot of you guys are not so, you haven't been in this game for so long, but geez, when I started trading, prop firms weren't even a thing. I think they came out very quietly behind the scenes. So I was like just depositing cold cash into brokers, bro. Like I was losing everything like for 4 years. I mean, not 4 years, like 2 years. I was just losing. Yeah, my experience, bro, was it wasn't the greatest. It was not the greatest in the first 4 years. I won't lie, it was tough, but I was addicted. I was addicted to trading. Like I just couldn't stop. Addicted in a not a bad way. I think I was addicted in a like I just knew it. I just knew it could work. And the reason I knew trading could work was because I said to myself, I won't forget. I was sitting by a lake one day. Smoking a doobie or something back in the day, and I was thinking like, you know what, if I lost, like I remember a day I lost $1,000, bro, and I was like, if I lost $1,000, I can make $1,000, you know. And like I just knew that if I'm able to lose all of this money, I'm able to make it too. So that's what kept me in. That's what kept me in the game, and that's what kept me going. And I'm glad I didn't give up. And my family were against it. I was just there by myself, just, you know, I had no support from anybody. But now it's like, yeah, I made it, mom. I made it, dad. So price is trying to pull back into EMA. Let's see, maybe if it comes right back into it and we get the nice, you know, closure back above as we spoke about in the strategy breakdown, how I trade EMA, then yeah, we can maybe look to maybe scalp another long. It's just the only thing I'm a bit skeptical about, guys, is there's not really a bottom wick on the hourly, and I'm not the biggest fan. The next hourly can easily just pull back, it can easily open and just sell off. I've seen that happen. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I've seen it happen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep... Let's see. I'm not going to force another trade. If I am going to take another trade with you guys, I need like really, really, really good confirmation. Okay. So like, I'm just going to chill out for now. Wait to see what price wants to do. How do I remove that? Erase. Damn it. I don't want to erase all of that. I don't want to. Okay, so this is just a key level I've marked off here. So if price can get back below that, I'll probably be open looking for shorts into the gap of overnight down here. And then up here, that's just the high of yesterday that we've come and liquidated or broken above, whatever you want to call that. So I've just got those marked off. That's all I need. Keep it simple. Keep it super simple. So now I know I've got my high of day that we've just traded above. Okay, cool. I've got my key level down here, and I've got my EMA. It's all I need, guys. That's how I make my money. That's how I make my money. Yo chat, we're almost on 20 likes. Come on, we need one more person to hit the like button. One more person to hit the like button. Let's get us to 20. And then from there, we just got 10 more to go. And then we're going to be over 30 likes. And we would have beat yesterday's record. Also, let's just go to the 15. The 15, yeah, the current 15 candle is having a little bit of a pullback as well. Sellers tried to step in, but they did fail a bit. They struggled to push lower on the previous 15. So maybe let's see this 15 what it wants to do. It's still got, how much time does it have left? It's got 10 minutes to still go. Maybe this 15 is going to have the pullback, you know. No trade now, guys. No trade. No need to force. No need to rush. We waited so patiently for this to buy over here, and we made money, right? Because we were patient. We were patient. So let's be patient and wait for the next trade. Maybe. But I'm not gonna go so heavy, guys. I don't want to give so much. I'll just go 5 micros on the next trade. If I get another trade, you know, I'm not gonna force anything right now. I stream every day, bro. Every day I stream. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday I'm streaming. That's why we call it the Daily Show. It is the Daily Show. The show where I'm streaming daily for you guys. Same time every single day. Yeah, I'm on the 5-minute chart with a 9 EMA. Correct. That's the power, bro. That is the power. So that's the power behind my strategy. Yo, we're on 22 likes, guys. I love you so much. I really love you guys for that. Okay, we need to get it over 30. Over 30 likes. Over 30 likes. Yeah, bro, just join the stream every single day. Just join the stream every single day. You'll learn so much. Like, the more I keep trading the strategy live in front of you, you're gonna learn so much that way. Because every time I take a trade, I break it down why I'm trading it, you know. And you're gonna see how simple trading can actually be when you start removing all of the BS, you know. Really. So Monday we back at it, same time. And the reason why I love trading at this time, it's a bit of an odd time, I know. People don't understand. They're like, Cam, why don't you trade New York session live? Because I make money at this time. People miss out at this time, and the reason it works, trading for me on NQ works so well at this time is because I know how Nasdaq works. I've been trading Nasdaq for 6 years, every single day. Like, I know how Nasdaq works. Every single day between 5 a.m. New York and 9 a.m. New York. So in this time window, there is a lot. There's volume that comes in, but the volume that comes in isn't like wah, 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 wah. Like, it's very smooth volume. It's very, I don't know what how I can call that, you know, but it's very like, there's this good momentum with it. And the reason there's momentum is because it's the opening of a new 4-hourly candle. And that 4-hourly candle has a lot of momentum to it. That's why I trade this time. London session, I'm not a fan of. It can chop a lot in London. I mean, look what London did here, guys. Look what London session did here. Chop, chop, chop. I don't trade London. And then New York. If we go back to New York. Where are we? 5. I need to try find New York from yesterday. New York yesterday was a... This was New York yesterday, guys. That's why I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't want to trade that. I'm not prepared to trade something that I know there's a high chance it's just gonna be horrible. Like, any giveaway today? No, not today, bro. Maybe next week. But what I'm going to do, guys, if I'm going to give away some accounts to you guys, I'm not going to announce it. Like, it's going to be done on stream very quietly. Like, you need to be on stream. That's going to be the thing. I'm not going to do a whole announcement giveaway. No. If you want to win something, it's going to probably be on a day where you're going to never expect it. And I'm going to give away a couple 50k accounts, you know, with Nasdaq Futures or something like that. But you will not know about it. But I need permission to do that, obviously, which I can try get for you guys, you know. But I should maybe be able to do a little giveaway now and then for you guys. So, but I'm not going to announce it. It's going to all be done on stream. Maybe I do a giveaway in 5 minutes from now. Maybe not. Maybe 10 minutes from now. Maybe not. You never know actually when I'm going to do a giveaway. That's going to be the thing. You never know. Cheers, Sarvesh. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you Monday, brother. Why are you leaving me, bro? Okay, buyers are trying to step back in right now. They're trying. They are trying. You can see they keep trying to get price higher as price is slowly creeping into the EMA. Who in the chat, guys, trades futures with Thunder Pro? I'd love to know. Raise of hands. How many of you guys are trading futures right now? Maybe not Thunder Pro, but even if it's a different prop firm. But how many of you are future traders? And if you're not a futures trader, if you don't trade futures, I'm telling you right now, you are missing out a lot. A lot. Once you trade futures, you never go back. I swear to you, that's a promise I'm making you, bro. Futures is addictive. Just because it's so easy to make money off futures, guys. Okay, we have someone trading Lucid, someone trading Thunder Pro. Salvation Thunder Pro. Gold. Yeah, I don't like gold, bro. I've made some really good money trading gold. But no, I don't do gold, bro. Gold for me is it's not consistent enough. I'm not gonna check gold, unfortunately, bro. I am the NQ king, bro. I'm the king of NQ. What brought you to the 9 EMA strategy? How did you find that, bro? Experience, bro. Like nothing necessarily brought me to it. I just happened to one day stick it on my chart. By luck, I was in a trading one of my key levels. And I wanted to swing my trade. I wanted to hold my trade. So I put an EMA on the chart to help me, you know, determine how far that trend is going to go. I wanted just to trade the trend, just to swing my trade. I happened by accident to put the 9 EMA on. It was by accident, and then I realized, wow, like I was looking, and the next thing I was like, damn, this is actually powerful, you know. And then I went deep into it, and I was like, well, every time price is pulling beneath of it and closing back above it, there's a move, you know, price is moving. And then I don't know, I just, with my experience and understanding candlesticks and candlestick closures, it just happened to work. And I was like, damn, this is so simple. Like, I just need to trade a little squiggly line on the chart, which is the EMA 9, and that's it. And I have made so much money that way. I was saying yesterday, you can actually look on my Twitter or my Instagram. Just in the month of February alone, I withdrew over $100,000 trading the EMA. The month of February, $100,000. It was crazy. I went on a massive win streak. Yeah, so that's the answer to that. Yeah, I see we got another Lucid trader here. Oh, that guy's a Lucid, okay. something I don't like about other future firms is that you have payout caps. You know, Funder Pro Futures, guys, there's no payout capper. If you like, you can withdraw however much you want out of your account with no limit to it. If you guys go on the Discord, you'll see there's one guy 2 days ago, he withdrew $12,000 out of one account. $12K out one account is mad. I knew it was the 9 EMA. Yeah, bro, a lot of people actually do trade the 9 EMA. A lot of people do trade it. A lot of people do trade the 9 EMA. Yeah, simplicity is golden, bro. It's so true. I'm gonna say some facts. Put an ICT trader in a room and put EMA trader in a room. Right? The trader that will make the most money in just that one session will be that EMA trader, bro. I swear to God. And it's facts. I unfollow people on Instagram that trade ICT. I hate it. I hate it, bro. I hate watching what they're doing. It's just so, it makes me so angry. It's like, what's wrong with you, bro? Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, you look like you just look so stupid, man. Just stop that. Just stop that fair value gap stuff. Like, we don't care. We don't care. Like, nobody cares about your inverted fair value gap and stuff. Like, we don't care. We know it doesn't make that much money. Okay, some guys do make money off of it, but it's not consistent. There's a difference. It's not consistent. It's so overcomplicated, bro. Like, imagine coming to the chart every single day and having to, like, it takes you like 20 minutes just to like do your technical analysis. Like, oh my God, that would just drive me up the wall, bro. Imagine coming on the chart, like, oh, fair value gap here, or like equal highs here, or liquidity sweep here, like, bro, oh my God. That just makes me anxious just thinking about that. So Vesh just asked, what's ICT, bro? You don't even want to know. Just don't. Guys, don't explain to him what it is. Just don't even ask what ICT is. You don't want to know. Okay, look how the 5-minute time frame has now pulled back into EMA, and now we're having a nice buyer's break above. I'm going to watch very carefully. Guys, what's going to happen here. It's the new hourly candle's just opened as well. The new hourly candle has just opened. Okay. Yeah, there we go. We have someone that just says he trades ICT. I'm not talking down on you that you're an ICT trader. Like, I just personally, I've seen the results and with many people, and yeah, I just think ICT is a big waste of time personally. Guys, look at the buyer stepping in off the EMA. My EMA 9 is goated, bro. Look how prices tapped the EMA 9 to the T, and now it's taking off. Oh my God, bro. Bro, what the hell is that, man? Oh, it just took off without us, bro. It's trading. It took off without us. Let me ask you a question right now. Let's go back to ICT, and then I'm done talking ICT. If you're an ICT trader, how on earth would you have caught that buy? There's no reason for you as an ICT trader to catch that buy. You know what I mean? So whatever, don't worry. Damn it, guys, we missed the trade, bro. Oil's dropping hard. Oil, drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. I don't trade oil. For the new guys in the chat, for the new guys on stream, please drop a like, show some love. The more love you give me, the more love I give back. And that's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. I want to stream every... the daily show is here every day for you guys, bro. Every day for you guys. You are very right, sir. Sarvesh, I thought you were leaving, brother. You still here? Oh, guys, Sarvesh is waiting for a trade, bro. He's waiting for a trade to come. Because he's like, nah, I'm waiting for Cameron to take another trade because I know I'm going to win again. Until I lose, and then he's going to be like, I should have gone. I've just realized, guys, in the chat, like, there's rankings. Like, so... Oh, Sarvesh is sitting at number 3. Bro, you got to... Oh my god, guys. Look at NQ. What the hell is going on? We're at all-time highs. This thing just might not stop. This thing just might not stop. Like... Guys, the strategy I trade is so goated, right? It's so goated that, like... When I entered down here, right, with you guys live in the beginning of the stream. Imagine we are still holding this. Holy moly. 700 ticks. Oh my god. That's just EMA, guys. EMA. 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 Sup, thanks for streaming. I assume that 9 EMA works best when price bounces from support and trend way always on reversal. So yeah, I mean, the more confluences you can stack on each other, the higher probability the trade will play out. The only thing is that I don't like to stack too many confluences because then you start overcomplicating the strategy. I just keep 2 confluences. That's just key levels and EMA. And just looking where the market's pushing to and pushing from. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you go back, so I'm not going to go over it again right now because I did it in the beginning of the stream. But when the stream ends, just rewatch the beginning. I talk about the 9 EMA and how I trade it. There's a section where I break down my strategy. So if you go back in the beginning and watch the stream, you will see I break down the EMA strategy and how I trade the EMA. Yeah, you see exactly how I trade it. It's super simple. It is the most simplest thing. You're going to regret spending hours and hours and hours learning other strategies, bro. Like, it's so simple and it's super profitable. Like, you know, we won 2 trades yesterday back to back in a row. We won 1 this morning already together. Which pair? This is NQ. I'm trading Nasdaq. Now I'm waiting for some fair value gap to get filled while you guys levels are counting money. Yeah, bro, exactly. ICT stands for I can't trade, bro. Everyone knows that. Sorbet, any payout today? Not today, brother, not today. I'm gonna take a payout soon though. I want to grow my account to $10,000 before taking a payout. I do want to grow my account first, guys. I want to have a nice slow growth to $10,000. I can go in right now and enter big position. You know, there's going to be a day I'm going to go in with a bigger sizing, but the reason I'm not going such big sizing is because I want to show you guys just managing risk correctly, how easy it is to get to like a $4,000, $5,000 payout consistently. You're going to see, I did it last week. If you guys go on my social media, you will see I requested a payout, $4,000, received it 1 hour later in my bank account, live on stream. Okay, we're on 24 likes. Guys, we need to get it over 30 likes. If you're on stream and you're watching, please drop a like on the stream. I will really, really appreciate that. We're trying to beat the record of 30 likes, guys. And then I'll try to do a giveaway next week for you. A few, maybe. We see. We see. NQ's just absolutely ripping to the moon, huh? I did say originally, I did say in the beginning, who was it that asked? I'm gonna try and remember your name. It was Aussie Trader. Aussie Trader. He asked me targets on NQ. Guys, I do think NQ is gonna reach 27,500 today for sure. If it keeps doing what it's doing, 27,500 is my target on NQ. I think 27,500 is a reasonable target on NQ. If price, what a guy. Look at the 15-minute EMA, guys. Check at this. 15-minute EMA. You can't go wrong, can you? Look how price just absolutely took off that EMA. Pulled back into EMA, tapped it to the TM. Boom! Boom, rocket to the moon. Are we going to reach 27,500 today? Maybe. I think it's possible, guys. I think it's possible. I think it is possible. But right now, oof, it's very tricky to say with this. We're so extended right now. We would really need to see a pull back into the range from this low to this high. And then we can maybe find another buy inside of this range to now long. But there's no buy set up just yet. We need to wait for price to come back into that EMA. We missed it over here. Price didn't wait for us. It just took off. If this 5-minute candle over here, you know, closed about here, then we could have taken that trade. But it closed too deep inside. Yes, we could have entered on this 5-minute for sure. At the break of this high, right? As we spoke about. This 5-minute closed back inside. We could have entered at the break of that high. But the thing is that that range was so big, I didn't want to risk that. Like, I would have preferred it if this 5-minute closed, you know, down here. But it just took off so quickly without us. Yeah. So when I enter a buy position or a long, my stop loss will go usually below the EMA, for example, right? I'm going to keep going back to this trade that we took today. So here was the trade we took over here. Just let me know if I'm showing this correctly. Okay. Over here, right? Price closed back inside that EMA. That's when I took the trade above the level there. So like, there was my entry over there. Okay, so I put my stop just below EMA. because I don't want to see price when I'm taking a buy position off of EMA. I don't want to see it get back below that EMA. I don't. So I will put my stop loss sitting below EMA, or below a low that's sitting below EMA or whatever. So that this was the exact trade we took this morning, like a 1 to 2. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Aussie trader, are you still holding, brother? Is he still in? Guys, we almost beat the record. We're on 28 likes. Yesterday we got 30 on stream. Can we beat it? Can we beat 30 likes? If you haven't liked, guys, drop a like. Drop a like on the stream. Let me give you guys a little bit of a secret. Have you noticed, and I said this in the beginning, but to the new people that's on, look at the movement we've just had in NQ right now, okay? Right? Notice how we just rallied so much during this window we're currently sitting in, okay? It's not a coincidence. There's not New York session and there's so much volume. And the volume we're getting is not choppy like we see in New York sessions. Okay. It's clean volume. It's super clean volume. Now, why did this happen now? And this happens every single day at around this time. Because we're in the new 4-hourly candle. And what happens is that in the new 4-hourly candle that opens up at 5 a.m. New York time, there's this volume injection that comes in, and it usually will pick a direction and it will move. It's why I trade this time. I don't trade London, I don't trade New York, I trade between. I don't like too much volume either, guys. When there's too much volume, it's very hard to get into a good trade. I find personally, that's me. I feel like I'm rushing it. Like when I start seeing the market like I'm like, whoa, dude. Calm down, man. Calm down. That's too much for me. You give me anxiety, bro. I like just to see it, you know, like just like take its time and then move, you know. I like it to give me a chance to get in. And then when I'm in, it just wants to then go. I like that. I don't like this New York volume that we get. It's like, phew. I think too many traders are blowing accounts during New York session. That's a prop firm's dream, bro. Prop firms love it when traders come in New York session. Because that's when you guys keep buying your challenges, isn't it? If you want to milk a prop firm, guys, if you really want to beat prop firms and you want to kill prop firm trading, because prop firm trading is really hard, as we all know. The best advice I can give with prop firm trading, and this works for me personally, right, is trade sessions with not so much volume in them. Okay, trade sessions that are smoother, okay, and not so volatile. Right. Actually, no, that sounds wrong. Trade sessions that aren't so volatile. Trade sessions with volume, but not so volatile. You will see, you'll save a lot of money that way. And that way you can be more smooth and more consistent, and you can beat prop firms slowly but surely that way. Because your prop firm trading is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. But it's very easy. It's very easy to pull payouts out prop firms, guys. It's so easy. You just need to play your cards right. You need to just play your cards right. Play it smooth. Just take it easy. Just breathe. And I promise you, Sarvesh just said we broke yesterday's like record. Let's see. Did we do it? Did we do it? No, we haven't. We're only on 30 likes. We need one more guy to like. We need one more trader to drop a like on stream. We need one more trader to drop a like on stream. And then we would have beaten the record. There you go, guys. We have whoever just clicked that like button. I love you. I love you. Honestly, guys, I love you all so much, really. It's so nice having you guys on here with me, talking with me. We're going to become a really good family, all of us, I'm telling you. I would love to host a traders retreat next year. This is my goal. Or not my goal, it's my idea. Next year, January, I want to do a trading retreat, okay? Where I'm going to pick some of you viewers to come out to the French Alps, where I'm currently situated. I live in the French Alps, guys. I snowboard and I do my life here. I want to invite some of you guys out. Oh, NQ's having another pump. I want to invite some traders out here to come snowboarding with me, man, in the French Alps. Come eat French cheese, drink French wine, trade, make money, and just live the French Alp life. Like, it's amazing. It is amazing. Yeah, we made it, bro. Anastalania, I appreciate you for liking and subscribing. Just turn your notifications on if you don't want to miss the streams. We're winning every day at this rate, so. Okay, here we go. NQ is just, oh my god, NQ is lethal, bro. It's not even giving us a chance to get in. Damn, guys. NQ's going crazy. NQ is going crazy, guys. Guys, this time every single day we're going to be going live. Every day. Every day. The Daily Show. We are live every single day, okay? Every day we live together. Every day we trading together. No, Sarvesh, you've got to come, bro. I'd love to meet you. Would love to meet you. I'd love to meet all of you, actually. Like, it'd be so nice. Yo, guys, NQ's really not giving us a chance to get in. I don't ever trade ES, but let's see what ES is doing. Oh. Yes. Same, huh? What about US 30 YM? What's that doing? Same thing. Wow, everything is just pumping. What is the Russell? The Russell. Yo, guys, look. This EMA is another story. I'm still Alright, okay. So let's see. Come on, we need a nice pullback into the EMA, man. Come on, give us that pullback. Give us the pullback, chat. Give us the pullback. A raise of hands, guys, in the chat. Who has never traded futures before? Who has never traded with futures before? This is a real question. Because if you haven't, you're really missing out. Like, you really are missing out on a lot of money. Yeah, ES and NAS do move the same. I do know that. I know. Guys, we still have 30 minutes left of stream. Can we get one more trade in? Can we get one more trade in? Can we get one more trade in? I feel like we can just squeeze one more trade in before the stream ends. Let's see. We just need that one pullback into EMA, guys. We need that one pullback into EMA. And we're sorted. I've never traded futures before. Nifa, you are honestly missing out on a lot. You need to try trade futures. Honestly, it's amazing. There's no spread. So once you enter a position, you automatically are put into profit. It's great for scalping. You can copy trade accounts. It's just so, trading futures is so easy to get payouts. Like, it's just facts. I struggle to get consistent payouts on CFD accounts, but the minute I hit futures, I was so consistent. It was so easy. It becomes really, really easy trading futures, guys. Super, 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 super easy. NQ is just not giving it, huh? What copy trader you use? So guys, when it comes to copy trading accounts with Funder Pro Futures, you actually can do it on the platform. Okay, there's a... I'm just going to show you guys quickly. Okay, how do I do that? All right. Look at the top here, on the top right. You see here where it says Trade Copier? If you just click that, you automatically get this thing that opens up, and this is where you can copy your accounts. Okay? So you can actually copy your trades directly on Funder Pro Futures, which is really, really cool. You don't need to worry about having to do other trade copiers. And the great part about copy trading, if you don't know much about copy trading, you can make a lot of money like that, guys. You can make. I'm not copy trading accounts right now, Funder Pro Futures. I'm just focusing on 2 accounts that I hop between. I have my account that I'm taking trading live on stream with you guys, and then there's other accounts. But right now, we're just trading this account on stream, and I'm slowly building my way to get a nice $5,000 payout live in front of you guys. Just to show you what's possible with trading one account. Yo guys, NQ is just not giving it, is it? It's really not giving it. Wow guys, there's a lot of you currently on stream. I love you all so much, man. $35 likes, guys. Can we get it to 40? Can we get it to 40 likes? If you're enjoying the stream, if you're enjoying hanging out, if you're enjoying learning, drop a like. Drop a like on stream. Quick question. Where are you guys from? Where are you all from? I know we have a lot of different nationalities in the chat. Yeah. Morocco! Oh man, I'd love to come to Morocco, bro. Wow, we have Morocco, India, Finland, Montenegro. Montenegro? I've never heard of that place, bro. Brooklyn, so nice. I live in France. I live in France, but I am from South Africa. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. Currently living in the French Alps. Yeah, we got St. Petersburg, Florida, USA. We got Iraq. No, this is an international stream, bro. I find it so beautiful how all of us are from complete different parts of the world, and here we all are together. It's such an amazing thing, honestly. Oh, we have another South African in chat. Where from Africa? Oh, where from Africa? Where from South Africa are you from, brother? Where are you from? I don't know if this is a South African that I've been speaking to recently. Come on, NQ guys. NQs might be giving a pullback now. Let's see if we can get a nice trade before stream ends. Can we get it? Yes, we can. Cameron the trader. Can he trade it? Yes, he can. We got a... Oh, Joburg, my bro. We got a Joburg trader here. Can we get this pullback, guys? Let's see, what time is it? It is... Okay, so the new 30-minute has opened. Okay, 30 minutes, you know, traded the top wick. Now it looks like we're pulling back. We might have a retracement, guys. I can maybe see price retrace a bit, but I don't want to. Oh, guys, look here. Oh my God, there's a fair value gap. Oh my God, there's a fair value gap, guys. There's a fair value gap. This is gonna work. We should buy because it tapped the fair value gap now. Stupid strategy. Seriously. I think I've got such a hate for it just because I lost a lot of money trading it. I don't know what it is. I need to go see a therapist about my anger towards ICT. Oh, bro, don't. Okay, Sarvesh, listen here. If you ever insult me again, we're gonna have a problem, bro. Okay. I'm gonna start taking losing trades live and on the stream. I'm joking, bro. I'll never do that to you. Damn, guys. We got a whole 40 of you guys busy watching me. Would you short on the situation? So we have a question. Would I short on the situation if we get below 9 EMA per your rules? Or is the trend too strong to go short? That is a very, 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 very good question. Okay. I could go short, but the thing is that I would half my risk on that, because we are very bullish. Notice how, here's a trick that you can actually also use for your trading. Notice how, look at the green candles, guys. Okay, let's just focus on the green candles right now, right? The green candles, look how big they are, right? They are, the green candles are fat. They're really big. And then the minute there's a red candle, it's so small. And then what happens after the red candle? Boom, another big green candle. That's basically the market saying to you, there's a lot of buyers in right now. So in order to short that, it is quite risky. I won't lie. It is quite risky. You should be prepared that you could very easily lose that trade, because I'm going to now try fight all of these buyers. So, and then if I go on the, let's go on the higher time frame on the hourly, for example. Look at this hourly right now. Look how strong those buyers are right now, pushing price higher in the space of just 2 hours. Look how high we got. So yeah, to short this right now, it can happen. There is no bottom wick on these two hourly. So yes, price can very well sell off. It can. But I would like to see sellers really get back below this EMA. Maybe this could be a scenario. So instead of getting the first candle closure below EMA, right? Maybe what we can do, where's my drawing tools? How do I do? Where's the fucking pen? What's it? Maybe what we can wait for is price to get below the EMA, sellers to get below EMA, maybe to see it pull back to get back above EMA, okay? And then when prices are back above the EMA, maybe a closure back below it again. That could indicate that we can go short, and that will be my entry. I think to short this the minute we get the first closure below is risky. Why do I say it's risky? Because look here. Look here. Look what happened when we closed back below here. What happened? Price just automatically just shot up. Okay. That can happen, right? Look what happened over here. When we closed below EMA, price just shot up. So maybe the best scenario, just like this scenario over here, right? Just this is a great example. Look how much price reversed. So we got below it. I want to see it get back above, just like I originally spoke about right now. I want to see it close back below. The minute I get that second closure back below, that's confirmed we have a new lower high being put in. That confirms we're going to now probably go down. So same thing over here. Let's wait for price, okay, to get, let's wait for price to get below the EMA, okay. Let's see the buyers fail to go higher, making a new potential lower high, okay. Then the minute I get the first 5-minute candle closing back below that EMA, that will be my entry to the short. That would be my approach for shorting this. But if I don't get that, there's no ways I'm going to short this, because the buyers are too strong. I need to really see price want to go down. I need to see the second closure below that EMA. I hope that answers the question really well. 30% win rate and net negative over the 10 years. That's the ICT strategy. Yeah, bro. Not great, bro. In past days, I have noticed we have taken only long trades, not a single short. That's true. That is true. And let me tell you right now, there is a lot of traders that are currently winning trades because price is just keep going up and up and up and up. It's really not hard to trade a bullish trend if it just keeps going up. There's a lot of traders on winning streaks right now. But the minute the market reverses, it's going to mess the psychology of the head of a trader, me in particular, right? And then what's going to happen is you're going to have to adjust to the fact that the market's now going short. And you have to take out the fact that we've been buying for the last 2 weeks straight. That catches traders a lot. So yes, we can be on a very big winning streak right now, which we are. We are like on a 9-day winning streak. That's huge. But the minute this market starts reversing and wanting to go short over a week or two, we are going to need to adjust to that, okay? Which can take impact psychologically, right? Our mind has just been seeing buy, 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 buy. To now change our mind to now see short, 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 short. It's an adjustment, right? We don't want to make the mistake and force buys when the market is shorting, because we can lose everything we've made in a very short space of time. So let's see what we're going to get coming up. The new 15-minute candle is going to open soon as well. We're going to get another 5-minute. Winning streak 9 days. No, for me, I'm on a winning streak 9 days. I think on stream it's like 8 or 7. I can't remember. There was a day I traded off stream. There was a day I traded off stream, guys. Sorbet, I thought you had to go, bro. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. What's up, guys? Before we end stream, we got 15 more minutes. See if we can get in on a trade. Price, ooh, we might get a trade. If we can really hold the EMA, because we've come into EMA, guys. Let's see what we can do. But if we can hold EMA and price fails to break below, we can maybe look to take a long. Let's see. Are we going to get the long? Are we going to take this long? If we're going to get it. Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to get the long? What's your plans this weekend, guys? So Avesh, what's your plan this weekend, bro? What are your weekend plans? Because I know a lot of traders hate weekends because they've got nothing to do. They're just waiting for that Monday to open up to start trading again. Come on, we have to be honest. We have to be honest. We've all been there. We've all been there. Like it's Saturday, we're like, damn, I've got another whole 2 days until the market opens. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Yeah, it's horrible. And now I've got a life now where I can keep myself busy on weekends, so it's all right. Okay, there we go. We've had the first 5-minute candle reject EMA. Let's see what this next 5-minute does, and it's the new 15. The new 15-minute has also just opened up, guys. It has opened up. The 15 can also pull back into EMA. I am aware of that, right? I am aware. I'm being very, very, very patient right now. I really need to see price fail to go lower. I need to see price really snap back above that EMA. I think we got it. I think we got it. I think we can. We might get this trade, chat. We might just get this trade. I can see it. I can feel it. Oh, guys, we have a sinner in the chat. We have a sinner in the chat. Oh my god. Bro, 5-minute fair value gap becomes inverted fair value gap. What? No ways. So what, should I short now, do you think? Should I short the market right now, bro? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're telling me? Hello, Ray nods. You guys have the craziest names on YouTube. It is so funny. I can't even read half your names sometimes. It's so funny. No, go sideways. I don't swing sideways, bro. I'm straight. I really don't swing sideways. I'm really, I'm straight as a broomstick, my bro. We got a French. We got another person from France in the chat. Lovely to meet you, bro. I'm also from France. I'm from South Africa, but I live in France. I live in the French Alps, bro, with my fiance. My fiance is from Paris. She's French. You also have a 5-minute BPR there. Another ICT skill. Oh, guys, I swear. Please. Just step back with your fucking ICT stuff. I don't want to hear it, bro. What's a BPR? That's a very good question. BPR means I don't even want to know what a BPR means. Basically, two fair value gaps in the opposite. Oh my god. The ICT traders have taken over, guys. The ICT traders have taken over. Jesus Santa Maria, he's using EMA, that's it. Oh, you know what? See, this is the type of people we need. This is like my personal bodyguard in chat right now. Yo, bro, keep protecting me, please. Keep protecting me. Okay, the 5-minute has closed below EMA. We've got a 5-minute candle closure back below EMA. So if we can close back above EMA, we can maybe look to long this. If price closes back above on the next candle. I will need to see the next candle or the candle after that close back above EMA in order to start longing this. Because as you know, the chat said, there's a BPR and there's a inverted fair value gap after the sweep of the high. So yeah, because of the BPR, which is two fair value gap together, we have to. So guys, I think it's a good time to trade now. The ICT traders have taken over the chat here. BPR, that can be a name of a disease. Bro. BPR, CPR. Yeah, it sounds like hospitalized terms. You can't even imagine how much I laugh at your reactions. Like, bro. I don't think you can imagine how big of a headache these ICT traders are giving me today. What's my strategy? My strategy is literally an EMA, bro. And key levels. If you want to know my strategy, you just at the end of the stream go back in the beginning and watch the beginning of the stream. Watch the beginning of the stream. And I kind of break down my EMA strategy for you. But I'm going to go, every stream, guys, I'm going deeper and deeper into the strategy. I'm not throwing it all at once at you guys. We're going to go a little bit by little bit, stream by stream. Almost like a little live mentorship, teaching how I trade live in front of you guys. Don't forget about the inversion order block inside the beep. Oh, Jesus. I can't take you guys seriously, bro. I can't take you seriously, bro. I'm gonna just 1 minute. I'm not gonna look at this chat. Okay, let's look at my strategy just for a moment. Okay, guys, we're getting the 5 minute candle, getting back above EMA. This could maybe be a potential long if we close above. I'm going to be watching. Don't worry, I am here for you. Thank you, bro. I love you so much. Let's keep trading. Exactly. I've never been profitable as... yeah, fuck, dude. Get you there. Bro, you got me. You got me good, bro. Bro, you got me, bro. You got me so good, bro. It's just a prank, Cam. Cam, it's just a prank. We're pranking you. Guys, we're almost at 40 likes. If you're new to the stream, drop a like. Drop a like. Check it out. Okay, guys. Right now, fuck, I'm stuttering a lot. I don't know what's going on. This Red Bull is like got to my head. Guys, notice how we pull back below EMA. Price is pushing lower. We close below and now we keep going lower. This is exactly what I spoke about. So if we can get price to get back above EMA, right, and then close back below, that could be the reversal short to now short NQ. That could be the reversal short to short NQ. That could be it. Are we gonna get it? Is the question. I don't know. I don't know. But I believe. Is it obvious that you have a PTSD from trading and losing much with that strategy, which I won't name anymore? You know what? I didn't lose much with it because I knew it was just a load of BS in the beginning. It was such a load of BS. Like I just knew. Like I stopped after I lost like a couple $1,000, which is actually that is a lot of money probably. But like still, I stopped. I could have lost a lot more, but I stopped. And then I went to trading inverted fair value gaps not long after, which is like the opposite of what I originally learned. Yo, we got Camille Manager Martinat in the chat. Guys, my fiance is in the chat. She's learning to trade. Yo, babe, drop a like on the stream, please. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Babe, if you're listening, I hope you're cooking me up some nice lunch for after the streamer. I hope you're cooking me some lunch, my sweet love. Notice, guys, how the candles on the 5 minute are also getting a lot smaller, right? The selling candles are losing momentum. That's another thing we're going to keep going over every stream. On the look how these 5 minute candles are slowly getting smaller and smaller and smaller. What is that telling me? That's telling me, hey Cam, sellers are losing control here. Buyers can very well step back in. So let's see. Maybe if we get the nice big closure back above, we can maybe get back to the highs, but let's see. Let's see. We don't know. Guys, I've gone way over stream time. I've just realized I'm over 2 hours here. We're almost in 2 hours, 10 minutes. So you see the things I'm doing for you guys. So the least you can do is just drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the stream, guys. Turn on your notifications. Turn on the notifications. But guys, I think the stream's been very, very, very productive. Honestly, I've had such a great time with you all, chatting away. You guys have been winding me up here on the stream, like talking about, I'm not going to say, I don't want to hear it ever again on the next stream, or I'm going to block you forever. Do you understand? Thank you very much. He is not my guru. We are all free to trade in what we want. I do use it. I still think it is bullshit. What are you guys talking about? Oh, I see. Guys, please. No arguing. Be nice. Be nice with each other. Okay. It's cool. You don't have to think ICT is BS. ICT is BS, bro. Like, you don't need to think. It's just facts. It's just a load of BS. But you know, people can think my strategy is BS. That's fine. That's their opinion. But I win. I make money. I'm making money. I think that's it, guys. I'm not going to force another trade. That's me probably done. Like, I'm not going to... We kind of are going slowly into New York session. Exactly, guys. Sorbet, bro. Be lovely to everybody. Anyways, guys, that's me done, I think, for the stream. We've gone over time. I honestly have had an amazing time with all of you. And I love all of you so much. I'm going to be back live Monday. Monday we're going to be back live, and we've got a whole week trading live every single day together on the Daily Show. So if you want to come hang out, you want to come catch some winning trades, we are going to be live at the same time next week. If you don't want to miss out, guys, turn your notifications on, or follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram, and you will not miss out on the next stream. That's for sure. That's a fact. So that's a fact. So next stream, I'm dropping some more gems, guys. I am dropping some more trading gems on next stream. We're going to still be trading the same system, the same strategy every single the same strategy every single stream. So yeah, I have actual data that suggests the strategy is weak source. Anyways, I love you all so much. Have a fantastic Friday, and yeah, guys. Don't miss Monday. Monday's going to be a goodie. Monday is going to be a goodie. Wink, wink. Be there on Monday's stream. I'm telling you. Be there. You don't want to miss it. So, anyways, have a good day, everybody. Have a good weekend. And I love you all so much. And with that being said, goodbye, guys. Goodbye.